Tribe, welcome back. And if you don't know already, my name is Alvin. I run an RV rental fleet, but I also have tons of other great content, tiny home content, RV life content, reviews. Check it all out. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You won't be disappointed, guys. But today we have some RV business at hand. This unit we will not see for about a month. I have a unit that's being rented out. It has several rentals, so I have to clean it on site, lots of logistics. So right now I'm going to be headed out to a great campground that's on the water. These clients are done today. They're wrapping it up. So I got my vacuum with me. I got my cleaning supplies with me. I got everything you would need to turn this unit over at your house. I have to do it on site. And then I'm taking it down south a little bit further to Maryland, to Assateague. Now, what makes this a little tricky is they don't have any hookups at Assateague. No water, no sewer, no electric. You have to bring your own generator, check, gas can, check, and plenty of other supplies. So I also have to remember to fill the freshwater tanks on site. And I got to take all those supplies with me so I don't forget anything, because I can't run off and get them. So I have to swing by the good trusty Walmart, grab me some RVTP, some RV tank cleaner, and hopefully you'll tag along as I drop some gems on you today, particularly RV insurance. But this is a day in the life of an RV rental owner, RV rental fleet. Let's go. At the Walmart, there's a chair that I want in there. There's a shade tent I want in there. I wanted to buy some propane tank. I can't get it all because I'm on a mission this morning. Even making this video is kind of slowing me up. I did have to swing by the bank. I do have some money for one of my RV consignment units. I had to pay the owner his cash out. It's almost $1,000 off of one rental that he had. So that's got to get out there. So I had to swing by. If you're interested in me managing your unit under our fleet, I do RV property management, basically RV consignments. That's where you would get paid out. You would provide me with the unit and I would give you a payout each month. So for this particular owner, one rental, $1,000, guys. So just reach out, any platform, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, message me now. Let's work. Yeah, I received this comment asking about insurance, Tribe, and I could make a whole video about it, the RV rental process and insurance, but I'm just going to include it in this daily vlog, guys. Now, I have not seen my renters. So when you see this clip, I have not seen my renters. I have not seen the unit, so I don't know what condition it is in, and hopefully I don't have to file any insurance thing. So first things first, before you get to the insurance, when you're doing RV rentals, you're going to have a deposit. You set that deposit. It could be as low as, I think, $0 if you want. I would not advise that at all. Minimum, maybe $500, but that's risky. I do $1,000 to $1,100, and even to be on the safe side would be $1,500. And you say that is a lot. Yes, it is. And that's just the way it is. It's a big deposit they're usually going to put on a credit card. Okay, so you have your deposit set. The deposit will only cover interior damage. Say your bed got cut up, your mattress caught on fire, your couch got destroyed, guys. That's what your deposit is covering. So think about all the stuff you have inside. Now, your insurance that you pick through these platforms, RVshare or Outdoorsy, and actually you don't pick it, your renter picks their insurance plan. Basically, they're going to pick the basic plan every time, which is going to have a higher deductible. So that will cover the outside just in case they receive any damages. Say a golf cart were to run into the side of the camper, a tree were to fall on the side of the camper, a kid keys the side of your camper. I don't know, maybe they forgot to put the car in park and it rides into the side of your camper, guys. That's what your insurance is actually going to cover, as well as if they're towing it, they're going to be covered if another car were to run into it. With your insurance or using these websites, RVshare or Outdoorsy, you can Outdoorsy versus RVshare. They're also going to provide either a roadside assistance, which is included with each rental, no matter what. So flat tires, they're going to be covered. They might have to pay out of their pocket, but they will have roadside assistance, guys. So the platforms are great for that. So your insurance basically covers the outside, your deposit covers the inside. Keep it short and sweet. Now, back to the vlog. Okay. This is the first stop of the day. We got to pick this unit up. We got to clean it. We got to take it to a different location. So let's find out how the renter left it. Open the door, I walk in, master bedroom is to the right. Okay, linens all over the place, perfectly normal. I'm going to replace those with fresh linens here in a sec, swap everything out. A little bit of stuff here and there, nothing great. Why would you leave the freezer open? Probably because they were in a hurry. Swung it open when they walked out, forgot it, it's okay. Bathroom, not too bad, not dirty, doesn't smell horrible. That's stuff I'm looking for at this point. RV toilet paper. Okay, we make our way to the back. Now this is the bunkhouse. Barely looks used. Nothing left behind. You don't want to find any old food in there. Everything looks pretty standard here, guys. This is a typical pickup. I check the gauges just to make sure to see what I got to dump them, make them read empty, and then it's on to the next campground. So let's go. Let's get this one cleaned up. So as you saw, it isn't always going to be extra pretty when you pick up these units, and then sometimes you have to manage the logistics. So what I mean by that is I have this unit getting picked up. It would be extra hard if I had one of my other units going to this state park, because I would have to pick this unit up, take it back to my storage location, pick up the other unit, and then go back. I would lose probably hours doing that. I'm still taking a good hour drive, but this allows me to take the same unit, clean it, prep it, sanitize it, just like I would any other time, but I just have less time to do it. So that's what I did. I fully supplied it, fully stocked it, got my generator, the tanks full of water, all that stuff, and just took my time really back flushing that sewer tank, because where they're going, they're really going to need to be holding waste in that gray tank and that black tank. So take your time. You're your own boss. I told this client that I'm dropping off to that I would not be there, or I wouldn't have an update for her until this morning. So I just updated her, told her I'd be there about 1 o'clock, which is an hour away from where I'm at now. So that's just how you have to manage these things. Now, if you had an extra driver, if you wanted to cut into some of your profit, you could do that. And I do have an extra driver sometimes. And like I said in previous videos, they are key to making all this work, guys. I have tons of videos on my channel, tons of videos. They might look like vlogs, but they have tons of information inside of those. Check them out if you're interested. Let's keep going.
Uptown, spinning around.
So as you see, I have arrived at this beautiful state park, guys. I get them all set up. The renter is not here. I go ahead and I set the glass up. I have a business card or two right up there. Max Your Journey Rentals. Have everything made up. The bed, the generator is running in the back, and we check it out right here. Got it right back there, quietly running. Beds are made up. They ask for linens. So as you see here, we have 4 sets plus the master. I went ahead and I supplied them with RV toilet paper like we got earlier. You see the drop-ins. Everything is clean to a T. Little special blue stuff, make it smell extra good in here. That's one of my secrets. This campsite, you actually just need the air flowing through the windows. It's so breezy out here at the beach. Check it out. That is your view. Gotta love it. So guys, if you like these vlogs, if you appreciate my channel and my content, please hit subscribe. Please hit that thumbs up. Check us out, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever. If you're interested in RV consignments, us adding your RV to our fleets, please reach out. Please DM me right now. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Until then, max your journey.